Welcome to Hell's Next Chopped Iron Chef Impossible Throwdown. Held in Menard's Kitchen Stadium on January 9, 2010. Held in honor of Louis Menard's birthday. The contestants on Team A were Chef Ed Burlier, Chef Louis Menard, and sous chef Pandora Hope. Team B consisted of Chef Andrea Madrill, Chef Russell Madrill, and their sous chef Taylor Hunt. Each team was given a basket of 5 mystery ingredients, one of which must appear in at least one course of their 5-course meal. With Chef Russell on the phone with Chef Andrea, the two teams opened their baskets to reveal their 5 mystery ingredients, which were rack of lamb, Asiago cheese, wild grain rice, orange cauliflower, and red wine port. The teams then had 2 hours to plan, shop, and prepare before starting to cook. While Chef Russell promptly left to meet up with Chef Andrea, Team A stayed behind in the kitchen stadium to plan, taking full advantage of their resources, such as recipe books and the internet, before heading out to do their job. Meanwhile, a surprise secret ingredient appeared in both teams' baskets while they were gone. This unplanned ingredient was to appear in a minimum of 2 courses, and the chefs were not allowed to go back out for more supply. Now they must rely solely upon the items they had already purchased and items provided for them in the pantry and the fresh produce table. Now, while our teams get to work, let's meet our judges. From Valley Springs, we have Rick Berry. Joining us from San Francisco is Amy Thomas. And from Angel's Camp, we have Nick Middleton. Each course was judged individually on taste, creativity, and presentation, earning up to 20 points per judge per course, a possible total of 300 points. Now, let's check in on the stress level of our team.
So you're down to the final moments, and you guys are looking surprisingly calm, cool, and collected.
Professionals. Look at Paul. You are.
Confidence prevails in Kitchen A, while Team B seems to be feeling the pressure.
No, what's that color, Dad? That's pepper. Your pepper right there?
Hey, it's crunch time, and it really doesn't feel like crunch time. It's surprisingly mellow here in Kitchen Stadium.
Get the hell out of here!
Thank you.
Is that better?
That's much better.
Okay, thank you.
It's way too mellow in here for crunch time.
Get out of here!
Thank you. How's your stress level, Team B?
We're all over it. We're good shape. Excellent shape. Everything is perfect.
Now, let's take a look at our menu, starting with Course 1.
Asiago caprese with Team A. It's a cauliflower and garlic soup with the Asiago crisp.
Thank you.
Team B. I think this is a big spoon, right?
Here's a look at what our judges were served for Course 2.
Come on. So this is Team A. Coconut wild rice, shrimp and pineapple.
Beautiful.
The pineapple on this one too.
Team B.
This is Course 2 and this is Team B. I couldn't take anybody else wants it. That's what y'all do, pass it out.
Let's see what our teams presented the judges for Course 3. what the judges reserved for course 4.
With port wine and cauliflower and pineapple.
And finally, our dessert course, course 5.
Pineapple, apple brandy. Pineapple, Team A. And course today with fresh berries, ricotta, pineapple puff. That's Team B.
With all 5 courses behind them, our 2 teams celebrate a long day of hard work, while our judges face the daunting task of tallying their scores. While the judges deliberate, we'd like to take a moment to thank some of our special friends who helped make today a success. Starting with servers, Christy Mazico, Kathy Burlier, and Pam Rivera. We'd also like to express our gratitude to our friends and family who joined us for this crazy culinary extravaganza. Now let's go back to our judges for the results.
Team A consists of Louis Menard, Ed Burlier, and their sous chef Pandora Hope. Team A. Okay. Team B is Andrea Madrell, Russell Madrell, and their sous chef Taylor Hunt. That's Team B. Okay? And these are your judges. Amy Thomas, Nick Middleton, and Rick Berry.
Okay, on course number 1, Team A had 49 points and Team B had...
Are we talking about first course?
First course.
That's what he said, course 1.
Yes, usually first course. 49 for number A and 41 for B.
The course 1 goes to Team A, okay.
Course number 2, Team A had 43 points, Team B had 50. For the little squeak. Course number 3, Team A had 41 points, Team B had 48. Course number 4, another close one, Team A had 45, Team B had 50.
Wow.
All right, everybody go home.
And our course 5, which was dessert, everybody's favorite, it was a tie, 50-50.
Wow.
The overall score, Team B, 239 to 220.
Wow.
Well, this concludes the first edition of Hell's Next Chopped Iron Chef Impossible Throwdown. There are no losers here in Menard's Kitchen Stadium, but we'd like to congratulate Team B Iron Chefs Andrea Madrell, Russell Madrell, and Taylor Hunt. Thanks for joining us. And don't forget to join us this spring for Dinner Impossible Birthday Challenge, coming in March 2010.